Welcome, gentlemen, to a quick Stoic Bites video that may change the way you perceive and live your life. In the book on the shortness of life, Seneca wrote, "The man who spends all his time on his own needs, who organizes every day as though it were his last, neither longs for nor fears the next day." These words by Seneca cut to the heart of a universal struggle, one that many of us, as men, often face. In our fast-paced, demanding lives, we're frequently trapped in a cycle of yearning for the future or worrying about it. Many men spend their days chasing success, recognition, and material possessions, convinced that these will bring happiness. They postpone their dreams and desires, hoping to achieve them someday, only to find that someday may never come. The fear of what tomorrow holds haunts them like an ever-present shadow. Seneca's wisdom offers us an alternative path. He encourages us to live each day as if it were our last, focusing on what truly matters. By organizing our lives this way, we break free from the cycle of longing and fearing. It enables us to appreciate the present, to cherish each moment, and to live authentically. This philosophy isn't about ignoring the future, but rather, it's about making the most of today. By living in the moment, we can find a sense of contentment and freedom that transcends external circumstances. We experience life as a collection of precious present moments, each one valued for its own sake. To put this into practice, start by cutting out unnecessary tasks and distractions in your daily routine. Focus on what truly matters and what aligns with your values and goals. Make a to-do list and prioritize tasks that enhance your life. So, gentlemen, let's embrace Seneca's wisdom and make the most of the present. By living each day as if it were our last, we neither long for nor fear the next day.